Ross.
And I'm Ian Mahoney.
And we're the team Swifties.
Yep. So we chose to take on the AEP Wind Farm Data Challenge, keeping in mind that neither of us are data scientists, so we really took this challenge on to see what we could learn and go from there.
We ended up learning a lot about, we ended up using a brand new front end that neither of us have learned before, new graphing utilities, a new back end that neither of us have used before. So yeah, if we want to.
Yep. So the first thing that we explored was the power percentage, comparing the actual power output of the wind turbines, each one, to the expected power. And you can see, you can zoom in on all of this data and view trends.
And we have that graphed over time, and you can see that there's a lot of peaks above like the average in the middle, and from there you can determine whether a turbine is overperforming or underperforming. In addition, more visualizations that we made are the capacity factors. We have a metric. It's an average of all the capacity factors for all the turbines. Then below that we have a bar graph representing each capacity factor per turbine.
Yep. So we built this app using Python. We used a front-end Python library called what's it called? Streamlit.
Yes.
And then a backend in MySQL. So we uploaded all of the data into a database. It took a while to clean all the data and import it, but it allowed us to write SQL queries directly against it, which sped up all of our analysis.
Mm-hmm. We definitely exercise our muscles in terms of requirements elicitation too, and working with the clients and determining what all this data means, because there's a lot of it and there's a lot to comb through and figure out what's relevant and what's not. And as you could see in the visualization as well, there can be some anomalies and there's some data that is bad and you need to work through that. That's what we learned today. If we had more time, what we'd like to work through is adding the additional visualizations like time availability and production availability. We had formulas for those but didn't have time to implement them.
Thank you.
Yep, thanks for your time.